this demonstration, I will focus on various papers with PanPastels, Sofft Tools and applicators, and various pastel mediums that go hand in hand with PanPastels. This video is the fourth of 8 videos using a handful of papers which I think most artists are asking about, and the PanPastels. G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me, and in this study I will be showing a paper called Stonehenge Vellum. Similar to the previous videos, I will add links to the videos should you wish to view. My focus is how the PanPastels work on Stonehenge, and have decided, seeing this is a printing paper or drawing paper, I will be using coloured pencil. I thought to use a drawing paper, seeing that many artists like to combine PanPastels and coloured pencils. Stonehenge is a popular brand amongst artists and make many types of papers. This paper is so versatile it can be used for many purposes such as silk screening, watercolour, lithography, letterpress, pastel and of course coloured pencil. Stonehenge offer a variety of colours. This surface is 250 GSM, 100% cotton, acid-free, and the colour is pearl grey. It was difficult to choose a type of drawing paper as there are so many to choose from, so I settled on this wonderful paper to demonstrate coloured pencil on PanPastel. This surface I'm working on is smooth to touch, but toothy enough, and when I run my fingers on the surface I can feel there would be enough tooth for me to combine the pans and coloured pencil. Here you see me applying PanPastels with the Sofft Tool applicators on this cute little mushroom, which you will see all the way through this study on the 8 surfaces. I pick up the pigment from the pan with the Sofft Tool applicator, and I was able to evenly apply the pigment on the surface. The PanPastels remained vibrant throughout the whole layering process. I was able to mix colours on the surface, which is a key feature of this medium. The coloured pencils I used were predominantly Derwent Lightfast and Pablo's by Caran. This paper allows me to use coloured pencil on top of the PanPastel layer without using fixative. It's always my preference to shy away from using fixative as I've had too many negative results. So I was pleasantly surprised that I was able to keep on layering with coloured pencils on the PanPastel base layer. My preferred way of working is to be able to add many layers, and this definitely suited my style of painting. The whole time I'm working, I'm thinking about the tooth of the paper and applying gentle pressure with both the pans and the coloured pencils to give me a chance to work in some details down the track. Again, similar to the other surfaces, PanPastels remained vibrant and felt confident using this combination, both PanPastels and coloured pencils. This study was a nice change to pastel papers. Would like to read what other drawing papers you use with PanPastels. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. And in summary, this paper worked well with PanPastels and coloured pencils, and recommend this combination of coloured pencils, Stonehenge, and of course the pans.